just wanted to give you guys a little bit of footage, tell you guys where I'm headed and what I'm going to be doing for the day, and I'll be trying to get you guys some footage throughout the day of the progress that we make. But we're going to be putting together a garden tractor pulling track for out here at the Castle Rock Raceway for Cowlitz County garden tractor pullers. My hope is to get younger people involved in the sport. I know that the younger a person is, when you start instilling the confidence of mechanical things, taking things apart, remembering how they go back together, reassembling them, and learning those skills, then they'll have those skills throughout their life and be able to apply them to bigger and bigger vehicles. So, you know, that's what my channel is always about, is believing what God gave you and taking on projects, you know, no matter your disabilities, no matter your past criminal records, anything like that, you know. I don't pass judgments, and I don't tell people they can't achieve things, you know. I think there's always solutions, and there's always ways to solve problems, or you know, there's always solutions. So, alright guys, enough babbling. Get at you guys up here at the racetrack. So, got stakes laid out here, one end to the next, and this is what we're starting with. Gonna start out just box blading, trying to get rid of the topsoil, try to get rid of some of the low spots, level it out, get rid of a lot of the rocks and stuff, throw them off to the side. But I'm planning on putting the starting line at this end. Trips back and forth were really a lot on this little Coyote, but now it's starting to do a little bit better. What we're doing so far. It was a real fight, just kind of digging in with the little Coyote, but getting it going. Now we're trying to pick out a lot of these rocks, getting them put into this little trailer here so we can drag them out of the way. We've got some truckloads of clay that we're going to put on top of this sandy loam stuff, kind of get it mixed in. So got help of the bigger tractor down here by hand, just picking out all the rocks and putting them to the side, putting in piles to where we can come back later and get them. Got Corey up here on the bigger tractor giving my little one a break. Trying to get rid of a little bit of a high spot here, drag some of that more down towards where our starting line is going to be. Ended up just using the back of the blade and kind of backing through a few high spots and then going over them again with the box blade, and got rid of those high spots. The track's looking pretty good. We haven't removed all the rocks. We've got somebody out here helping to rake and kind of pull them off to the side, but we're going to start bringing over some clay. So I'm going to go over the clay pile and start helping load that into trucks, and so that we can bring it over here and scoop it onto the track and get a little more clay mixed in here. So we got this nice clay pile here. I'm going to help get this loaded into the trucks so that we can bring it over there and start spreading it on the top of that loamy soil and trying to build us a bit better track. Alrighty guys, so what ended up happening, we couldn't get a dump trailer because one person that went, they didn't like his hitch and his truck was too old. Another person tried to go and they said they didn't have none left in stock. So I'm just going back and forth with the tractor, trying to take as much as I can. I'm scooping them up in their trucks, filling their trucks up, and they're hand shoveling it out. So believing what God gave us, taking it on as a group, taking it on as a team, and hopefully we can get this track set up and we can get some poles in. Another bucket load. Try to do it one-handed. There we go. I scooped there. Trying to knock the stuff off the top so that we don't make a mess. Shift gears so that I'm not in slowpoke mode. Drop the weight of that a little bit. And we'll head back over. Just so that I don't forget to give a shout out to Mt St.helens Motorcycle Club in Castle Rock. They're the ones giving us the spot to build our bowling track over here at the Castle Rock Raceway. So our pile here is dwindling down. Thankfully somebody brought us some pizza to enjoy. That was definitely appreciated. Now I've got Corey coming back in his truck and the other guy coming in his gray truck. I don't remember his name. We'll get them loaded up. Been smoothing out a little bit on the track after we humped it up. I was using my front blade and dragging out the humps, pushing out the humps, and also had my back blade down at the same time to where, you know, just trying to smooth it out, trying to grade it out. So, alright guys, I'm gonna get these trucks loaded up. We've even got the young ones out here working on their future pulling track. We got Corey over here on the big massive Ferguson. Another pile of dirt coming out. We already covered all this anyway down here. Multiple truckloads. Getting all the rocks, stuff off the side, little at a time. Done unloading that truckload. So, got the tractor put away. Track's looking real good. Clay is pretty sticky. Definitely a lot better than last time we went Riverdale Raceway. That stuff was super sandy, just sank in. So, really hoping this is more enjoyable for everybody that comes out to the pools. Look forward to seeing everybody. Until next time, just want to say, believe in what God gave you guys. Take things on as a team. Help each other out. Build things, create, do things for your community. Do things for the future. Alrighty guys. Until next time, keep building shit.